Congolese villagers don't become multi-billionaires. In fact, my people, if you see mountain of gold, hey, I don't know who tell person go tell person go tell another person. See villagers, everybody they dig, they dig. Now so they can't find out say this mountain gold food inside. This one they happen for Republic of Congo as I talk to now. Hey, people, see everybody with their shovel. Ikba. Wahala for who no get shovel. Oh. I bet for now we don't know what they happen now for Congo. Join me, make we watch the video. Hey, I just imagine if person carry me go that place. Hey, my life done better. Oh. No, just imagine you get one bag, just one bag. Oh. Money dey Africa, forget that. And this thing, as I watch this video, my people, the thing will make me dey wonder different things. Una no say we be mumu. No, I know I even involve myself, not being insult, na question. Una know. Because for Africa, if only Africans no say we dey blessed, we no go even dey kill ourselves. So my people, I don't dey wonder since say how Africa go dey produce cocoa. They get cocoa for Togo, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire. They get cocoa for Africa. We dey produce am, but yet chocolate go come from Switzerland, go Belgium. They this one chocolate. Meanwhile now we dey produce am. I bet Switzerland and Belgium they get bush. They get bush where they plant all these things. No, I just they ask. If you know, I bet make you tell me, because to my own knowledge, all these things they come from us. Even tea, all this tea now where everybody don't they repackage, they package. No be Ethiopia, Uganda, Kenya, all those places. No be there they bring these things. White people now they go come change the name, call her English tea. English tea born from us, they carry her. Many things they involve, my people. So even what they call this thing, coltan, abi coltan. I don't even know how to pronounce it. That thing, where did they get that from? Where did they get that thing from? Congo. Even this same Congo video one I just watch. These people they get them plenty, but they know they produce phone. Still this same phone. Now why people get them? Now why people come invent and they come produce and they come. Una know why? Very simple. The reason why all these things they happen, they don't capture our mind. They don't capture our mind. See, and all of us as we dey like this, we dey confused spiritually. Second reason. Third reason, now because we don't allow ourselves to become slaves to other people. Now why all these things they happen? No, if not, make una give me reason why as rich as Africa be. Yet we don't turn slaves. One person will just get white color for body, go just come they give us do this, you do this. We don't turn slaves. I bet for now where they pack and fast. Oh, I dey tell them based on our own experience. You understand, Naija? Our own experience, because if this happen for Nigeria, now first to come go carry. Pack and fast, because if I just imagine if this thing like this we see am for Naija, my people how far? Now only in fact the first 10 minutes safe, if you dey lucky you go carry something. They go send soldiers, may they go block the whole place. That whole place when they see like this, soldiers go there, block, and they go form fence. Police go even enter inside this matter. By now, if na Naija, wetin go happen? They know they waste time. And if matter even come worse, they go even send, or you see all these soldiers when they go send, they go even give them instructions. Say, abeg, if you na reach there, any citizen who na see, shoot them. They go give them instruction. Greediness everywhere. Greediness. Africa na real Garden of Eden. Africa. Now we don't know what we get. Now we don't know. If white people hear this one now go see how aeroplanes go start to fly everywhere. They fly because they know. Now they know the meaning of all these things. That when they come, another matter will come start. Another matter will come start. So I beg, wait till they connect. Government, Congo government, because make una start they lock the airports. No allow any flights in and out again. If not, my people now war go come. Now war go come, and you know say white people they sabi use people mind. You know say na them study psychology pass. If they come now, they go come try to convince them. Before you know now, they don't sign paper. You don't belong to them. Small thing. So I bet make una close down all the airports. It is very, very important. Now only our leaders for Africa be our problem. Now only our leader. I will say we get correct leaders. See, if we get correct leaders, we don't get problem for this life. In fact, now white people say go they come they beg us. Say may we do deals, may we get business together. Africa. Now why sometimes if some people just dey, I don't like my color, I don't like my country, I don't like my this thing. We are proud though. Hey, me, I am proud to be an African person. You understand? Very, very important. So I beg, now why I bring this matter now? So that this thing will reach Congo government. It need close down the airports as time still there now. I don't know about you now. All of you now, they watch me now. I thought say I no go talk am, but make I just talk am because una be my people. As I dey talk to una now, I don't book my flight. Look me very well. In fact, I don't relocate too. Because now there the thing they happen, I'm going to the land of milk and honey. You understand? So if you know, you know. If you don't know, no. But me, I don't pack my things already. This night, I dey go that side. I must carry my own gold. So if you know what thing you want, what thing they sup now, start to pack yourself. They go there because now there the thing they shell. You understand? My people now I say make I bring this matter. Me, I know they stingy. I go see better thing. I no go come tell you now. Now my plan be that too. So start to drop the comment for that comment section. Very, very important. And share this video once again, my people. They need here and they need safe their what do they call it, perimeters. Make them safe and very well before outsiders will come inside. War will come start. And if you never subscribe, I best start to subscribe. Click on that thing. If not, you go they miss everything. Matters like this. Just imagine. Some people don't know. You understand? Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.